Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pickleball paddles available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have White Duck Pickleball Paddle. This White Duck Whiplash Paddle is an excellent midweight pickleball paddle for training. The White Duck Paddle provides your ticket back onto the court with a way to make 80% of your shots. It's well suited for those with arthritis or with hand or shoulder sensitivity or tricky elbows. Its weight is important when choosing a paddle or racket. This one is a good compromise between power and finesse. At number 5 we have Pickleball Paddle. The paddles are USA Pickleball approved for tournament play. This strong fiberglass face plus polypropylene honeycomb core. Such great material match makes the pickleball racket lightweight, strong, and durable and makes the paddles withstand strikes from balls. The pickleball rackets are for all ages and all skill levels. This 4.9 inches handle length perfect for hold not too long and not too short. At number 4 we have Onyx Pickleball Paddle. The tennis handle mimics the handle shape of a tennis racket for players transitioning into pickleball. This excellent touch paddle for superior ball control. It has Nomex paper honeycomb core and graphite face. It has most popular pickleball paddle in the Onyx line. At number 3 we have GR. This pickleball paddle set is very suitable for beginners, intermediate to top senior leader professional players. A good graphite pickleball racket is a good helper on the training ground. The interior of our pickleball racket provides redefined strength, optimal performance and durability. It provides more precise ball control and swing strength. The lightweight portable racket allows you to swing freely on the court. GRM Pickleball Paddle Set will help you win the challenge. At number 2 we have Franklin Pickleball Paddle. It is designed by Pickleball Pro Aspen Kern. This premium quality paddle has been constructed to compete and win at the highest level. The embedded carbon fiber face is engineered to generate speed and spin, and creating the ultimate balance of power and control. The dense 13mm polypropylene core ensures durability and a large sweet spot for effortless shot making. At number 1 we have Vinsgear Pickleball Paddle. This pickleball set of 2 premium graphite pickleball paddles and 3 outdoor pickleball balls. The pickleball bag can be carried in a variety of ways such as portable crossbody and shoulder bag. This pickleball racket comes with graphite surface, is lighter in weight and stronger than other rackets such as fiberglass. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pickleball paddles for your need.